Okay guys, this is a 2016 Ford F-150 appearance package, 3.5 liter twin turbo, Sport FX4 Lariat. Twin turbo Ecoboost. It's got the power side steps. Look at that two-tone leather. Start it up here. So like 33,000 miles on it. Lane keep assist, adaptive cruise, driver alert, cross traffic, everything. Tow package. So here's your adaptive cruise. This is your locking differential FX4 package, 4-wheel drive. Here's your tow package with the trailer brake built in. It's got your heated air conditioned seats. It's got your lane assist here. It's got 2 smart keys with remote start. It's got navigation. .360 backup camera. Front and rear parking sensors. Has a big old panoramic sunroof all the way to the back. Does have the Sony sound system in there. There's the VIN number. Take a close look at this appearance package, what the sticker looks like. Really cool sticker. Good tires, spare tire here. Tow package. Slow release tailgate with the pop out step here. No bed liner. Rear radar detectors there, radar. Does have the window visors. Check out all my inventory at tjchapmanauto.com.